Hi everyone. In this quick video, I'll show you how to disable YouTube Shorts on YouTube TV, or at least reduce how often they appear. YouTube TV doesn't offer a full toggle to completely turn Shorts off, but these steps can help control and minimize them. Step 1. Use the Not Interested option. Whenever a short appears, highlight it, press the More Options button on your remote, and choose Not Interested. Doing this repeatedly helps YouTube reduce shorts in your recommendations. Step 2. Manage your YouTube TV recommendations. Go to Library, History, Manage, and remove shorts from your watch history. This helps the algorithm stop suggesting them. Step 3. Use Restricted Mode. Go to Settings, Restricted Mode, and turn it on. While it doesn't block shorts specifically, it can reduce certain types of short-form content. Step 4. Create a custom profile. You can create a separate profile dedicated to long-form content. Go to Settings, Family, or Profiles, Add Profile, and start fresh without interacting with shorts. Step 5. Use the Home tab filters. On the YouTube TV homepage, scroll until you see categories like movies, shows, or sports. Staying inside these categories helps avoid shorts completely. These methods will help you reduce or hide most shorts content on YouTube TV. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more easy tech guides.